Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone on Xbox. First, ensure your Xbox is connected to the internet and you have an active Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Next, download the free Call of Duty Warzone game from the Xbox Store. Once installed, launch the game and complete the initial in-game tutorial. This will teach you essential movement, shooting, and basic survival mechanics, preparing you for your first match. Warzone features a large map where up to 150 players battle it out. The primary objective is to be the last team standing. Pay close attention to the shrinking gas circle, always moving towards the safe zone to avoid damage. Looting is crucial. Search buildings for better weapons, armor plates, and cash to buy kill streaks or revive teammates. Remember to use the ping system to effectively communicate with your squad about enemies or useful items. To truly excel, master the Gulag. If eliminated early, you'll fight a 1 versus 1 duel for a chance to redeploy. Strategically use buy stations scattered across the map. Here you can spend cash on essential items like armor plates, self-revive kits, or even a custom loadout drop. Consider dropping into more contested areas to quickly engage in combat and sharpen your gun skill. Team coordination and smart rotations are key to securing victories. Customizing your loadout is vital for success. As you play, you'll unlock new weapons, attachments, and perks. Spend time in the gunsmith to create loadouts that suit your playstyle, whether you prefer long-range engagements or close-quarters combat. Experiment with different attachments to fine-tune your weapon's recoil, range, and handling. And speaking of staying sharp, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading on the go. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.